Honor has just introduced a cell phone with a battery of 8,300 mAh. It is the new Honor X70. A new mid-range smartphone is set to stand out, particularly due to its impressive battery capacity. The design closely resembles what we are already familiar with from the brand, featuring a large circular camera module on the back. It is available in 4 colors: red, green, white, and black. The device measures 7.76 millimeters in thickness and weighs 193 grams. This makes it quite remarkable because even with this large battery, it does not resemble a brick-sized device. The screen is an AMOLED measuring 6.79 inches with a resolution of 2640 by 1200 pixels. It features a 120 Hz refresh rate and can reach a peak brightness of 6000 nits. This makes it a very appealing panel. Additionally, it is protected by an aluminum silicate glass, which according to Honor has bulletproof capabilities. We would need to see it in real life to verify if it truly withstands as much as claimed, but it certainly sounds very appealing. Regarding the cameras, we will find just a 50 megapixel rear sensor featuring digital zoom, along with an 8 megapixel front camera, making it quite straightforward in this aspect. The main emphasis is on the software, which includes some editing tools powered by artificial intelligence to remove objects, restore faces, and also incorporate some other anti-reflective elements. The battery stands out as the major feature of this device, boasting a capacity of 8,300 mAh. Charging is also going to be excellent, with support for 80 watts both wired and wireless, which is quite remarkable to find in the mid-range category. When it comes to performance, let's take a moment to explore what the new mid-range Snapdragon chip introduces. It is the 6th Gen 4, equipped with an Adreno A10 GPU. In terms of software, it operates on Magic OS 9.0, which is based on Android 15. Additionally, it incorporates several artificial intelligence features. When it comes to the price, it's important to note that it starts at 1,399 yuan, as this model has been launched specifically for China. This converts to approximately $195. However, it's crucial to remember that the prices here are not necessarily the same as those over there. It will certainly be one of the most appealing devices, although it has been introduced specifically for China. We will need to wait and see if it is eventually launched worldwide under a different name later in the year, or if it remains exclusive to that region.